Alrighty, welcome to my backyard. Tiny little, perfect for the project at hand. So the idea is going to be to have a bit of road from here all the way down to this corner, where I'm going to actually put a pond in this corner. Put a pond here. I have a bridge going across the pond, 110 scale bridge going across the pond, back down to a road, and that'll follow. So I've already done this area as if it's like a four-wheel drive track all the way along back towards the house, but I'm going to redo everything all the way along with the RC trucks, including building the bridge. Probably going to get a crane so I can lift the bridge in and such like that. But yeah, that's the idea, is to build a road all the way along here with the RC car. I'll probably have to build a service road down below so the trucks can do a loop. You can see I already started here because I've just been learning the trucks in this section here. But yeah, that's the idea. I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't really care. So I will be upgrading the trucks and showing you guys what I've done with the trucks as I go along at the same time. But yeah, that's the project. Build a road, do some gardening with using nothing but RC. Alrighty, let's get into it. Alright, unbox the Huina model of the truck. Get it out of this cardboard. It's packed quite nicely, that's for sure. If I the usual. Well, here it is. It's supposed to be, they call it the full metal version, but metal, plastic, plastic, that's plastic. Half of it's metal, half of it's plastic by the look of it. So yeah, Chinese all metal. I got this from Hobbies Direct here in Australia. They've always been really good to me. With postage, is super fast. Even if you get standard postage, it seems to get here in a few days, and that's from one side of the country to the other. So that's pretty good. So props to Hobbies Direct. Pretty good. I've been shopping through them. All my RCs have come through them. They're really good. Yeah, pretty good place to buy from. Here's the controller. Not bad quality. It's kind of like got a rubberized coating on it. It's a bit grippy. Standard little charger. Just a tiny little battery. Little 7.4 volt battery. Quite heavy. It's not light. I'm not going to bother weighing it. If you want to know those specs, there's other videos out there that are more detailed than mine. This is just going to be the run through of all the trucks that I've got for the job that I want to do. It's pretty scale. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. I don't know whether, I don't think that's the same scale. Kinda maybe it is. But anyway, that's the first truck. Alright, and this is what she looks like after I've modified it with a paint job, driver and cabin modification, a couple of bits of detail like this walking little plate there, and just to make it a little bit more detail. These mirrors I've put on. Put the driver in, modified the cab to make it look a little bit better and suit the driver, painted it. Biggest thing I've noticed I did was using different batteries. Gave it so much more power to actually plow into stuff. Get a more powerful battery without frying the internals. Look into it. I put heaps of sinkers inside the wheels, the two front wheels, all the way around and on the inside of the rim. You won't be able to see it, but I've like, yeah, the inside the rim and inside the tire. Then I put some really big sinkers in the back here to give it extra weight. I'm pretty sure I doubled, almost tripled the weight of it by doing that. By doing that, and the battery was, I found sufficient enough to dig into what I'm digging into in the backyard, which is dirt and gravel, which to me is pretty substantial, pretty solid. I weigh it, 6.4 kilo. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I doubled its weight. And yeah, it's not a bad little rig, cheap little rig. Spend a little time with it, fix her up. It's pretty cool. Alrighty, first shift on the job. Need to plough this road, clear a passageway for the other trucks. Make our way to that big boulder all the way up the back there. That's where the bridge is going to go and the pond will be settled. Alright, so first run we're on stock battery, and we'll see how we go. Battery, it's not powerful enough to get through the dirt, not picking up that much stuff.